How to use Loom Video Recorder. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily do basic recordings with Loom. First thing you can do is go to a web browser and search for Loom and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here. Now you can install a Chrome extension, or you can just continue on with the website. Click on Get Loom for free. Now you're going to have to sign up for Loom. I'll just continue on with my email. I'll just continue with my Google account, tap on it, tap on continue, and you should be able to log in without any problem. Just read through the terms and conditions and then click on I agree. Now once you have done that, you should be able to access Loom's recorder for free. Now on the Loom's onboarding, you can have one workspace and two ways to record. You could do Loom video, meeting recordings, and more. So just tap on next. Select select what you are using Loom for. So I'll just do for personal projects. Click on continue. Create your workspace. Invite teammates. I'll just skip for now, and I'll skip this for now as well. You can download the desktop app, or you could just continue on with a Chrome extension. So you can select whatever you want here. You can also have an Android and iOS app by clicking over here. So I'll just continue on with a Chrome extension for now. And click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and you should be able to start recording in no time. So the extension is being downloaded. And once it has been downloaded, you can directly head over to this website. Go to loom.com/looms. Now it will give you a quick guide throughout here as well. Now in order to actually start recording a video, you just click on record here and then click on record a loop. Tap on it. As you can see here, it's now starting to record. So if you just click on record a loom, you can allow your microphone as well as your camera access over there. You could also do a video feed, and if you turn on your camera, it's going to access your webcam and your video feed is going to be over here. Now you can just click on start recording, and if you tap on the more option, you have other settings that you can change, like your recording countdown, recording controls, you can flip camera, and more. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can start recording using Loom. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.